Hey guys, welcome to another lesson with Kal-El. I just wanted to do a very quick short video about how to rename your name in a Zoom meeting. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I know some of you guys are coming in using maybe your parents' laptop or maybe their tablet and your name isn't the correct name. So as you can see here, right now I see my name is known as Calvin Lee, and maybe I don't want to have that name. I want to make sure I use my student name. So if I go up here on my picture, I will see three dots. I'm going to click on these three dots, which is a menu, and you'll see an option to say rename. So when you click rename, it says enter a new screen name. So this is where you would enter your name, student name. So for me, I'm going to go by my teacher name. So I'm going to change it. And as you can see here, I can remember my name for future meetings. It's going to be completely up to you if you want to check this on or off. If you check it on, just let your parents know because maybe they don't want to have your name when they're in their meetings. But if you have it off, then you just have to remember every time you come into our classroom that you definitely want to rename yourself to your name. Okay, so that includes a lesson with Kal-El.